Ethereum ETF is coming. Let's analyze together where we can take trades, what would be a plan for futures and for spot market, and let's compare it to Bitcoin ETF, because remember that history quite often repeats, and let's take lessons from history. Uh, as you can see, Ethereum would start trading on this top ETF. It would be Grayscale, Fidelity, BlackRock. All of these companies would trade here. Most of them would use Coinbase as a custodian. That's really good, because we will use order flow in the future to analyze what exactly we can trade. Few words about previously how Bitcoin ETF played out. Remember when Bitcoin ETF, there were quite a lot of news about Bitcoin ETF, and what BTC did in the end, ETF approved exactly here. After that, have a look, this beautiful stop loss hunt by 20%, and only after that, this beautiful rally. Why does it happen? Because quite a lot of people that bought Bitcoin at bottom at 12, at 16K, 20K, 25K, for them, it was a quite significant profit, because imagine that some guys in a BlackRock, I think they planned ETF a few months before. They didn't plan from tomorrow to today. And the price did 200% rise. That means some people decided to get out to cash out their profit. That was the reason of the sell pressure. Only after that, BTC, as you can see, started a powerful pump, and let's analyze together what would be the best exactly pattern scenario to trade it. Before, I invite you to join my public Telegram, because every update about Bitcoin, top coins, free signals, free lessons, you'll find there. Link in description. It's also free for you. Plan at this moment with my community really simple. We expect on Ethereum that there would be maybe something like that. Honestly, I would be really happy to see the next stuff on Ethereum. First, if there would be some, at this moment, I expect some local rise, because quite a lot of people would be happy to buy it because of news, and I expect some local rise into one of these important areas. It is POC of this important area, or even into this high. Why is this both areas super important? Its answer is here, because they were traded the biggest volume ever that I saw in 12-hour candle. It was a record, exactly this candle, and this candle exactly created this value, because it was news about ETF approval, and have a look how open interest massively increased here. That means some people that bought exactly into a high, they were trapped, and here they were liquidated. That's why I share this stuff with you, that you must be not blind. Don't follow the news blindly, because most of them are traps, and I will prepare a video lesson for you why news are a trap. That's why trade it only when we have a clear pattern. Let me show to you what exactly we'll trade on Ethereum. First, in the case of double trap, as I shared with you, like my best scenario, best ever, at this moment, some rise, after that beautiful big trap, big stop loss hunt, into this 3,000 area or even lower. It would be just present from a god if there would be such big stop loss hunt. And if there would be stop loss hunt, we would take long entry. How we would trade it? Let me share with you an example trade that we took on Ethereum. It was 5th of July. Signal of a liquidation, it would be as we took on this trade. Big drop in open interest, big volume, and super negative delta. Altogether, it's a signal that someone big got liquidated. Often it's exactly would be a bottom or a top of a market, especially if this stuff is at key zone. By the way, you can get access to signals that I share with the community with clear stop loss, take profits, and updates. Also, link will be in description. Fill the form, speak with my teams. I will share with you all info. That's why, once more, stop loss hunt in this or this area, it would be the best. But honestly, you must be a realist that maybe it won't happen. If that won't happen, what also we could trade? There are also another scenario that I would trade. Let me show to you based on this BTC examples that we traded after ETF approval. Bitcoin ETF approval was exactly here into this high. After that, price started squeezing down with rise of open interest and aggressive selling. That's example for you why you must be not blind, just simply follow the price, follow the market. And what here happened? Big rise in open interest, negative delta. And have a look what happened. During ETF approval, big pump, biggest volume, after that squeeze down, with rise of open interest, negative delta. That means people that get trapped here, they got liquidated exactly here into a bottom. And here we took entry for continue, and here we took entry in exactly into opposite direction. Another example for you, when BTC after ETF approval did all this drop, and after that BTC finally, after taking all its lows, started squeezing up. And what were here the most important? Bitcoin creates this local value, and open interest started to increase with squeezing up. Perfect. It was a perfect opportunity to take long. And you can see I took only 2% profit, but price after that did significant pump. Again, next situation with BTC, we took here a trade, first rise, small profit. After that, BTC again create beautiful value. With rise of open interest, we again took breakout pattern. But we took that breakout only on this aggressive rise of open interest. And with that aggressive open interest, price pumped so much without a pullback. Why once more I share the stuff with you, that you don't need to guess will it drop or not. Just wait while price will show to you a clear pattern to take a trade. And that pattern is easy to learn. You can join our education program. We will teach you. That's for people who would trade BTC on the future. That's why once more we would trade or big liquidation, or after beautiful range, break out from that range. That's it. Don't create any new ideas. What to do for people that would like to buy Ethereum on a spot market? Honestly, for a spot market, the best is DCA, because I do believe that Ethereum within 1-2 years would cost much bigger, maybe 5K, 10K. No one knows, but I do believe that price of Ethereum would be bigger than right now. That's why the best for you would be DCA, because price can move sideways for a big period of time. But to use DCA, you must be open to long horizon, because you must keep that position for several years. Only in that case you will be able to capitalize. If you have 100 USD, it won't help you. That's why right now, wait for clear patterns that I will share with you. Right now we have, let me show to you the situation that's going on right now on Ethereum. Really aggressive open interest increase right now into this very moment. Let me show it to you. If price of Ethereum would hold above this open interest, start squeeze up, that would be a signal for breakout with a target, first target. What would be a first target? It would be this POC. If that open interest that at this moment entered would squeeze up POC or even high of a range. If price fails to hold it, if this open interest fails to hold it, and price break below this, with big chance price would go down until taking stop losses of these people. That's why once more, don't think twice. Wait, if price close next 1 hour above, just a pullback, use it as opportunity for good powerful support. At this moment, watch this video lesson about how news really important in a market, how to understand where would be a trap to avoid traps and make money on the market. Love you, my friends. Bye.